celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation. I am deeply honored to have this opportunity to speak on this momentous occasion. This year, our theme is Vikshit Bharat or Developed India, and it absolutely couldn't be more fitting. Vikshit Bharat is not just a phrase, it's an emotion, a vision, as well as a commitment to our nation. Vikshit Bharat symbolizes a future where India stands tall at the global stage, leading in every sphere, be it economy, technology, or culture. To realize the strength of a developed India, it's essential that we harness its potential to the fullest. Our country is the one where every citizen, no matter where they come from, has an opportunity to succeed and grow. It's a nation where innovation thrives, where education empowers, and where every person feels a deep sense of pride while contributing to the nation's progress. But how do we, the youth, contribute to this vision? How can we ensure that India not only catches up with the world, but leads it? The answer lies within all of us, in our dreams, in our ambitions, and in our actions. Today, India is rising everywhere. But are we rising with it? Or are we content with letting others carry the burden of success or progress? Friends, this is our moment. If we don't seize it, who will? If we don't lead, who will follow? Let's not just talk about Vikshit Bharat, let's make it a reality. The future of this nation isn't in the hands of the government alone. It's in our hands as well. It's in every choice we make, every action we take. Let's be the generation that transforms India and uplifts it to such heights that people have never seen before, setting up an example for the world to follow. Each of us in our own way should contribute to its tapestry of resilience and unity. As Gandhiji once said, the future depends on what we do in the present. So let us all commit ourselves to the task of nation building with unwavering determination, knowing that the actions we take today will shape the India tomorrow. So at the end, I would like to conclude by saying that freedom and independence gave us the wings to fly. But trust me, development and progress will give us a strength to soar together as a nation. Thank you.